Hello? This is Cnix. One of the most troublesome things on the manufacturing floor is the irregular noise signals that stay within the normal range. These signals are like ghosts, they never trigger any alarms. The problem is that these noise-like signal patterns can actually be the cause of equipment failure, so we can't just ignore them. Using the AI agent supported by Cnix data service platform can help looking at the absolute values of the signals. It analyzes the distribution and relationships of the signals in the normal state, then compares the current patterns to track abnormal conditions.
I will show you how a local LLM can perform anomaly detection in the manufacturing environment using Cnix's AI agent. First, I will ask if there is an active anomaly detection session currently running for the user. If there isn't one, we can simply create a new anomaly detection session. I will request Start Anomaly Detection for the current and voltage values of the ASL equipment. It displays the information of the anomaly detection session started upon the user's request. You can leave it as is, log out, and move on to other tasks or head home for the day. When you log back in later and request the session information, the created anomaly detection session remains active. Now let's inject noise that disrupts the signal pattern while staying within the normal range of values. If you request the session information again, you can see that the anomaly count has increased, as shown here. Alternatively, you can ask, were any anomalies detected? In response to this request, the local LLM will show a list of log files if anomalies were found. Clicking on the provided link allows you to view the anomaly detection log details. Looking at the log details, you can see that a pattern anomaly was detected in the red shaded region. If you reattach the log chart image to the local LLM and ask which part needs maintenance. As you can see, the local LLM provides a maintenance guide. Once the analysis is complete, you can stop the user's active anomaly detection session. You can also delete log files that are no longer needed. Thank you for watching.